So designers, here's another approach. One option is to do those hard passwords that are easy to remember, long, 4 words. That's a great approach because it makes it easy for you, but hard for anybody else to crack. Here's a different approach. This is the one that I use because I find it the easiest possible one for me. And that is to use a password management program. I use one called LastPass, and they have a free option for one person. You can sign up for free forever, and they'll keep your passwords for you without any problem. In case that sounds a little scary, them keeping your passwords, let me tell you that they don't actually hold anything in their servers. It's all stored on your machine in encrypted form. So they can't get to your passwords even if they wanted to. They have spent a lot of time building this so that it is very safe, both for you and from them, because they want this to be a long-term solution. So what I've got is this little extension here that you see with the 3 dots. It's called LastPass, and it's built into Chrome as an extension that I've downloaded. I also can log into their website, lastpass.com, and there's a link down here in the job there for you to link to it if you want to get it. You can also get it on your phone. LastPass has an iPhone app and an Android app, so you can get to your passwords from any device that you want to. So I open this up and I put in my password. This is the one master password that I remember for everything. And it's several words, just like the XKCD suggests. And then I've got it set up so that all that happens is it just turns red. You can have it also do other things, like put a little icon here that shows you how many passwords for this page it knows in its database. And there's some other stuff, but I like it to be really simple. So it just turns red to indicate that it's logged in. And then if I click it, it immediately shows me that it has remembered Gameful.me, and there is a password saved for the user Matthew M1970. And for NOLA Labs, there's another password saved for a user called number1. And I can go have it generate proper secure passwords. So if I go click this, I can choose how long it's going to generate that password. 12 characters is my default. I can have it include all kinds of different symbols. I can quickly choose, I want one that's easy to say, so it doesn't include unpronounceable stuff, easy to read. I can include all characters. By default, it's not going to. It's going to include characters that are distinct. So 1 and lowercase l won't be in the password together, so that it's not confusing. Uppercase O and uppercase letter 0, number O. No, uppercase letter O, number 0 won't be in the same password unless you check this all characters box so that you can include that. So I can configure it to give me a password that's going to work for any website. This sequence for me, easy to read and 12 characters long, is sufficiently secure and works for almost every password requirement site that I've come to. Occasionally I have to come and add symbols to a password or change the length depending on the site's requirements. But then I just click fill password. It automatically fills it into the login field wherever I happen to be on that web page, and then saves it as an entry here so that I can go fill it in. So when I come to Gameful's login page, I come open my LastPass up with the one password that I remember, and then I just click here, and it automatically fills in Matthew M1970 for my username, and it automatically fills in the password associated with that. And this is how I save all my passwords for all my websites. And I've got dozens and dozens and dozens of them saved in here, and they're all different. Every password, every site. There's like 3 sites in the world now that I have the same password on because I haven't gone back to update them. But almost every site that I go to, that's a different password, and they're all saved in LastPass. So if you want a quick, easy solution, I highly recommend you look into that. Practice it, use it, get used to using it, and it will make your life easier for sure.